This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the CUCKOO CR-3032 commercial rice cooker and warmer. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this rice cooker in the description below for the latest price. Let's start with what makes this rice cooker stand out. It's built for volume and consistency. With a massive 30-cup uncooked capacity that yields up to 60 cups of cooked rice, this model is ideal for high-demand environments like catering events, commercial kitchens, or big family gatherings. But despite its size, CUCKOO keeps it user-friendly. The single-switch operation is refreshingly simple. Press once to start cooking, and it automatically shifts into keep warm mode when the rice is ready. It's as close to a set-it-and-forget-it experience as you can get in a commercial-grade cooker. Build quality is another strong point. The inner pot is made with a high-grade nonstick material that ensures the rice doesn't burn or stick, making both cooking and cleaning much easier. You won't find complicated controls here, just a solid, intuitive system that delivers consistently good rice without constant monitoring. Plus, the rice cooker comes with a rice spatula, a measuring cup, and a silicone pad, which is a nice touch for maintaining countertop safety and keeping the unit stable. CUCKOO has clearly kept commercial standards in mind. The rice cooker is certified by both cETL and NSF, which means it meets top-tier electrical safety and food sanitation guidelines. That's especially important if you're using it in a licensed kitchen or food service setting. The silver and black finish looks modern and professional, blending into any kitchen environment without drawing too much attention to itself. Now, while this model is excellent for volume and simplicity, it's not exactly feature-packed. There are no digital menus or cooking modes like you might find in consumer-grade models. If you're looking for a machine that also steams, bakes, or cooks other grains, this isn't the one. It's designed to do one job: cook large amounts of rice very well, and it succeeds at that. Another point to note is the size. At 18 inches in both depth and height, it's a large appliance that needs dedicated counter or shelf space. Overall, the CUCKOO CR-3032 is a workhorse. It's for users who care more about reliability and output than extra features. Whether you're running a food truck, prepping meals for events, or just feeding a big family regularly, this cooker delivers consistent performance with minimal hassle.